Hi guys. In this video, we have some workarounds that may help fix the Emoji Panel keyboard shortcut not working on your Windows 10 PC. Method 1. Change region and language to United States. Click on Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Time and Language option. Next, on the left side of the pane, click on Region. Now, go to the right side of the window and set the country or region to United States. Now, click on Language on the left side of the pane. Next, on the right side of the window, under the Windows Display Language section, select English United States from the drop-down. Go to the Preferred Languages section and click on Add a Language. In the Choose a Language to Install window, look for English United States, select the language and press Next. Next, press Install while you keep the text-to-speech, speech recognition and the handwriting options selected. You will now see the language pack added under the Preferred Languages section. Now, you can select the English United States language from the drop-down under the Windows Display Language section. You can now try the keyboard shortcut and the Emoji Panel should open. Method 2. Run CTFMon.exe Manually. Right-click on Start menu, and select Run to launch the Run command window. Copy and paste the below text in the Run command search field and click OK. Now since it has been run manually, you can try opening the Emoji Panel using the keyboard shortcut and it should work. Running the CTFMon.exe through Run command is a workaround, and so, if you wanted to fix it for once and for all, you can make it start itself with Windows by adding an entry of the exe file to the registry editor. Follow the below steps. Click on Search, type Regedit, and select Registry Editor from Results. In the Registry Editor window, go to the following path. Now, go to the right side of the window and right-click on an empty area. Select New and then select String Value to create a new string. Rename the new string as CTFMon and then double-click on it. In the Edit String, go to the Value Data field and set it to. Press OK to save changes and then exit. Close the Registry Editor window and reboot your PC. It will now keep running in the background and you should now be able to use the Emoji Panel keyboard shortcut as usual. Method 3. Enable the Touch Keyboard and Handwriting Panel service. Click on Search, type Services and select Services from Results. In the Services window, go to the right side of the pane and under the Names column, look for Touch Keyboard and Handwriting Panel service. Double-click on it. In its Properties window, under the General tab, go to the Startup Type section and set it to Automatic. Press Apply and then OK to save the changes and exit. Close the Services window, restart your PC, and now the keyboard shortcut for the Emoji Panel should be working fine. Method 4. Edit the Registry Editor settings. Click on Search, type Regedit, and select Registry Editor from Results. In the left pane, go to the following path. Now, navigate to the right side of the pane, right-click on an empty area, select New and then select Word 32-bit value. Now, rename the new Word value as Enable Expressive Input Shell Hotkey. In the Edit Word 32-bit value, go to the Value Data field and set the field to 1. Now, exit the Registry Editor and reboot your PC. You can now check if the issue is fixed. Thanks for watching this video.